I have found myself enchanted by fairies for as long as I can remember. The winged ones and how they flew. As a child, I adored home, but I wanted to fly too. I wanted to take up residence in the petals of chrysanthemum to be named for a flower. I cherish the names and homes given to me in my youth. I cherish how I held them and tried to be as deeply in them as I could. The deeper I went, the more rooted in self and love I became, and the more magic of me, of earth, bubbled forth, overflowing into my life from the pages of storybooks into the mundane day-to-day steps and tiptoes of the path I walked. When I was around elementary school aged, I read The Secret Garden. Well, actually, my dad read it to me, and he promised somewhere as we scrolled, as we read those pages, to give me my own secret garden. He was true to his word, and that garden grew and grew, blooming season after season, until we all grew up and out of that home. The garden, though, is still there. I drove by a few weeks ago as I was showing my boyfriend around my hometown, and it all came flooding back. It's so easy when you've seen it all before you, and then you see it again. The land, the plants, the garden that was built with my fairy heart and self in mind. The waterfalls, the woods, the wood stack itself in the same spot, held in place on the neighboring property line. A shared heat source, a shared meeting ground. Shared spaces such as those, the garden, the wood stack, are where I've come to find the most magic in our realm. I want to invite you to join me in one of those spaces. The gallery, Misty's, up by the ferry landing and the cannery landing building, up the stairs. For a month of events, fairy invoked and island held magic, making, moving, being. Together we'll honor all of our secret gardens, seen and unseen, held now and long gone, related to some place or another, born of our hands or of hands that love us so. The hands that perhaps read us bedtime stories long ago and dreamt the seeds of our dreams alive. We'll honor those ones who introduced us to such magic, and we'll celebrate what dwells just beyond that sacred, shimmering garden gate. You have got to be still and quiet a while, whisper some of your magic prayers, and then, most always, you'll be let right on in. See you there.